This video is about acidic sperm and how it can affect your vagina. If you experience reoccurring UTIs, BV, or yeast infections after sex, maybe it's not you, it could be him. Think about it. Does he drink a lot of beer? That could explain the yeast. Or maybe he doesn't drink water at all. That could explain the itching and odor. Here are a few solutions to help with this very common problem. First, make sure you always pee after sex. Secondly, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of our black seed oil every day. This will make you less prone to infections. It will help him too. Number 3, steam after sex or at least a day after sex. Steaming can help prevent BV and UTIs. And lastly, use our yummy yoni oil during sex. It will help to protect and maintain a healthy pH. I hope this video was helpful for you. To learn more about our products, read about it in the description below. To shop, visit us in store at the Photoshop Atlanta, or you can always shop online at prettykittyboutique.net. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!